Hi. So, when I was about 9 years old, I started martial arts. And I did it up until my sophomore year in high school, and I got all the way up to my first degree black belt. So, I really wanted to give Bryce a martial arts slash self-defense lesson. And Bryce is 8 years old, so he's in the concrete operational stage of cognitive development according to Piaget. And I was going to start with stretching because that's always a good idea before doing something physical. And while we're doing this, I'll get to know him and do a pre-assessment of what he knows about martial arts and self-defense. And also ask him when does he think he should use it. For example, on a stranger that could hurt him or his siblings. So I'll make sure he knows the difference between that. And then I'm going to teach him some basic self-defense moves, like if someone were to grab his wrist, his shoulder, or try to choke him. And then I was going to show him how to roll, which I really enjoyed when I first started learning martial arts. Then I'm going to teach him a front jab and a reverse punch, and then combine it to make a 1-2 punch. And while we're doing this, I'll help him figure out what yell works best for him, because I know when I was taught, whenever I would yell for a punch or a kick, it gave me more confidence and power behind the move. And I'm also going to teach him how to elbow and do a side kick. And then if I'm able to, I'm planning on having him choose what move, because having the student choose and regulate their learning is important. He can choose what move he wants to break a board. And the social development comes into play because he's in the industry versus inferiority stage, which means success plays a major part in this. Overall, I hope to help him develop his psychomotor skills, like give him coordination. I know martial arts really helped me with my coordination and also with my confidence, so that's always important. And socially, I invited him to bring a friend, also since we talked about how boys tend to want to impress each other more than the teacher. So I'm really excited to see how it turns out.